Hey crafty cuties! I am going to Joann's right now and I'm going to bring you along. I came to one of my favorite locations because I have a location by my house and I'm looking to see what it is called. Oh yeah, it's a superstore location and it's supposed to have like a bigger paper crafting department, but mine is like hit or miss. They have like a lot of aisles of paper crafting, but it's never like the newest stuff. So I thought I would come to this other location today. I wanted to get some of Tim Holtz's new Halloween stuff, but it wasn't available at my location, so I'm gonna see, but it might be too late to get that, which is funny because it's only like September 20th or some, or 20, I don't know, 25th, something like that. You would think that they still have Halloween stuff, but that's not how it works. So I'm gonna go in and I'll show you around the store. Okay, yeah, I was maybe a little right. They still have a lot of Halloween stuff, but now it's Christmas time. Oh, they have a lot, but we're gonna head to paper crafting, so maybe we can look at this stuff later. So these beads are 4 for $10. I probably have enough beads, but since I'm working on so many beaded tassels, I feel like I could use more. Or maybe some more that are like this, that are like more of a charm. I feel like that's a really good deal. These ones are pretty, but then you have to like take them apart. It's not like the most work, but it's not the easiest. Let's see. And when I'm buying beads, I have to see how big like the bead center is, because I do put these on like a waxed linen thread, and so it needs to be kind of bigger, but not too big. There are so many here. Okay, no, I don't want reds. Maybe the natural colors. Ooh, these clear ones could be fun. And I think the sale is, yeah, it's all of, these are all that brand, Hildy and Joe. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep looking these over and I'll show you if I end up grabbing any. Okay, so I grabbed these ones right here. I decided I have quite a lot of just like regular glass beads and wooden beads. I did want to get this pack because it's huge and I really like the colors. And then I grabbed these 3 just because they're more like charms, and I think that they will really complement the beaded tassels. So now we'll head over to the paper section. Okay, well, it looks like their Tim Holtz area is also picked over, so maybe that just happens. They just sell out of Tim Holtz like immediately. But maybe that means that Christmas stuff will be coming soon. So I can't find the glue. That's what I'm looking for. They have a glue section, but I know that there's like another area where they have like craft glues, and I am looking for that. But of course I thought I needed to check out the paper pads really quick. They're 50% off. Oh, cute. I don't think I've ever made a birthday journal. Oh, that could be so cute. But so when I'm filming this is probably not close to when it's going up, but I'm currently working on French document journals, so I am always looking for things to get that could work well with those. I'm kind of curious what this is. Oh, it's a card making kit. But that can be really cute because you could use this to make like journal cards. which honestly, I guess you could already do this probably with embellishments and stickers and things that you have, but it's kind of nice that everything is already there. It already goes together really well. How much are these? It's only $8.99. That's not bad. And 30% off. And they have like a bunch of different themed ones. I'm kind of wondering. It looks like they had one that's not there anymore, and I'm kind of curious what theme. But I like this one. I don't love the little animals, but I think I could get a lot of use out of this, honestly. I could give the little animals to my daughter. Okay. And then it looks like they have a bunch of like other things that you can get that complement the pack. This is really cute. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna grab this just because it's pretty affordable and I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. Oh, this must, okay, maybe this is the one that was right there, so maybe I should see. I like the colors on this one. I don't need the congratulations and thanks, but if I was able to get use out of the rest of it, I think I'm gonna go with the other one. It looks like there's more like florals, but this one is pretty also. So these are fun. Okay, so I use these threads quite a bit. They are always buy 3 get 3 free. So I'm gonna get like 12 of them. The only thing is I have a problem sometimes where the thread gets stuck on the little, there's a little notch up here where you can put the thread through. You can't really see it, you kind of can, but sometimes on my sewing machine the thread will keep getting stuck on that, and this goes flying off my sewing machine. I don't know why it happens only with this brand, but it doesn't happen enough that I hate it, and it's so affordable. So I'm gonna get a bunch of those, but then my favorite threads is this brand, and I'm looking, they're on sale also, buy 3 get 3 free, so we'll go see what colors they have because they have like the best colors. Clearing stuff back here. Thought I would check it out. A lot of Park Lane stuff. Park Lane has some really pretty labels, stickers that I like, and I don't think they sell them anymore, so I did want to see if maybe they had some in here, but I don't think so. And then I was checking this out. A lot of card kits. Well, I am still, oh my gosh, I think I just found the glue. I was gonna say, I've been looking for the glue for such a long time and I can't find it. It's always in a weird spot. Let's see. Oh, I kind of want to look at their embossing folders. Yeah, they have really good ones for, they're usually $3 or $4.99. These ones right here, I think I have most of them, but I'm always looking for new ones. I don't think I have this one. It's pretty cute, but it's not super different from what I have, so I don't know. Yeah, it is pretty cute. Are these on sale? It's only $3.99, but sometimes this stuff is like 50% off. I don't know. Oh, I just found the Tim Holtz stuff too. Thank goodness. Now I'm going to the right direction. Okay, so first of all, glue. please tell me that you have my glue. It's pretty much what I came here for. The Tombow Mono Aqua. I found it down here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna get 2 of those right now. Whoa. Whoa, okay. I don't need any assistance, so hopefully they're not coming for me. Yeah, their glues are $5.99 here, and for some reason at Michael's they're like $3.99. It's a big difference, so I am going to get 2 because I need them right now. But like I said, Amazon's honestly the best place. But let's go ahead and finish the shopping trip off with the best for last, the Tim Holtz stuff. And I'm gonna try not to get too much. It's 30% off. Ooh. Those are pretty. Let's see. I'm trying to think if I actually need anything. Probably not. And I'm kind of looking to see if there's anything new. I don't see anything really, but let's see. These are so pretty. I have used up a bunch of these. They're just really pretty double-sided like journal cards, and then there's tall skinny ones actually, which would go so good with the French document journals. Okay, they are 30% off, so yeah, gotta get one. And that might be it. I think this is the one collage paper that I don't have, but I'm not super into birds. This definitely looks like one that I don't have. Lots of like vintage pieces. Some of the images are like things that I know I've had in different packs, like this rose one. I know that I've had that image on some of my other ephemera things from Tim Holtz, so like some of these are repeats of what I already have. But that is a pretty good pack. And then I'm curious what this is. This is layers. It doesn't show you. Kind of looks fun. Huh. Might have to get that. And then I think that might be it. I don't need any inks. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. I think this is what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go check out. Thanks for coming along on this little shopping trip with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.